Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to teach you about what is the difference between resistor and transistor. These two are electronic components. We frequently use these two components in electronic circuit. Now first let's see what is the physical appearance of resistor and transistor. Now let's see, this is the physical appearance of resistor and this is the physical appearance of transistor. Resistor is having the two, I mean it is having two terminals. Okay, resistor is having two terminals and transistor is having three terminals. We call these three terminals as emitter, base and collector. Now let's see the difference between the resistor and transistor. Here are some of the differences between resistor and transistor. Let's see what is the first difference. The resistor is a passive component. What is passive component? The component which absorbs the energy from the circuit is known as passive component. Here the resistor is a passive component in electronics, whereas the transistor is a active component. Active component is nothing but the component which delivers the power to the circuit is known as active component. Here we call the transistor as a active component. Now let's see, it resists the flow of electric current. Why we call that component as a resistor means it is used to resist the flow of electric current. Okay, and what is the use of transistor means it switches or amplifies the electrical signal, and the applications are switching and amplification applications. That means we can use the transistor as a switch or amplifier. Now let's see third difference, that is it converts the electrical energy into heat energy. How it can convert the electrical energy into heat energy means whenever the current passing through the resistor, there should be a voltage drop according to the resistivity of the resistance. Due to that voltage drop, a heat energy will be produced or heat is dissipated from that resistor. So we can call the resistor can convert the electrical energy into heat energy. Let's see, it does not convert the energy. That means it does not convert electrical energy to any some other energies. Okay, it makes huge power loss. Huge power loss. Why it makes huge power loss means we know power is directly proportional to the product of voltage into resistance. Voltage into current. Here voltage drop occurs at the resistor. So voltage drop occurs means voltage is decreases. That means power also decreases. So it makes huge power loss and it creates very low power loss because there is no voltage drop, so it is having very low power loss. Now let's see, resistor makes voltage drop. I already told you resistor make voltage drop and ideally it does not make any power loss. That means transistor does not make any power loss. Okay, there is no biasing required for resistor. No biasing means we can connect the resistor as like you want. Okay, here let's see, resistor is having the two terminals. You can interchange that terminals as you want, like, okay, whatever it may be, you can connect the two terminals in your way. But whereas the transistor is biasing, that means you should connect the terminal to that port only, which means it is having three terminals, collector, base and emitter, and these three terminals having the different characteristics. According to that you should connect. Okay, so we call it as a, it is having biasing, it requires biasing. Now let's see the final difference between the resistor and transistor, that is act well with both AC and DC power supply. It performs well with DC power supply, which means it is suitable for both AC and DC circuits, but it is suitable only for DC circuits. We can use the transistor with AC circuits also, some bit modification. Okay, but ideally it is suitable for both AC and DC, but it is not well suited for AC. It is only suited for DC, and these are the few differences between the resistor and transistor. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.